What's up, clones? This is Mexicano, and in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use your clone in a meeting, like you can see here, but also for streaming on X, on any platform where you can usually use your camera. And the reason we're using the Filta camera again is because of the quality. So pay attention. I was actually using my glasses, so this is me without my glasses on. Look at how well it's tracking the eye movement. I can put my glasses back on and it's pretty much the same. Maybe some glitches here and there. But this is just to show you the quality that you are getting by using Filta. So this is what it looks like behind the scenes. I actually had to rotate my phone. So let me bring it back to vertical. And this is actually really easy to do, but you need to have the right components. First of all, the Filter application on your phone, which you probably already have. Then all you have to do is get a cable, which probably already comes in your box. If not, get a official cable just to make sure that everything is compatible, and connect your phone to your laptop or your Mac device. This is only available for Mac and iPhone, so everything has to be Apple compatible. There is a tutorial if you click here on how to do it on a Windows device, but for now we're going to focus on everything Apple. So the first thing you need to do is download OBS. This is what people use to stream, but we're going to be using a virtual camera option that it's available, but actually I want you to use a previous release, and we need to install OBS version 30.0. So all the other versions were not compatible, so I'm going to scroll all the way down and let's go actually to page number 2 and let's find OBS Studio version 30. So I tested it with version 30.0.0 and everything works. So just go here and it should be under assets. So here you're going to install it according to your computer. I have an Mac OS with an Apple chip, but if you have a Mac with an Intel chip, then you select this option. So just click on it and it's going to install it, and just install it like any other application. So to set this up, go to the scenes and create a new scene if there is not one created already. So just click on the plus and I will create this one. And for you to see something, you will go to the sources section and then add a new video capture device. Again, this is only compatible with iOS, so it will make everything work seamlessly actually, because we're using the same devices and the same operation system. So I'll just do tutorial, Filta camera for example, and under device is going to show our iPhone. So you can use your phone as a webcam if you want, but in this case we want to see our iPhone screen. So I will select the iPhone by itself, and this is how you can show your phone completely. I can go to my settings and there you can tell that it's my phone, and I will just select that. I will make that a bit smaller so you can see the whole interface, because again I am recording the recording and it's just a little bit weird. Just one quick tip, so you can see my hair in that area. So if your clone is not fitting to you, let me get off meeting mode. You just click on that move icon below the timer on the right, so you can see it right there. I will click on it, and this is within the Filter app. I can actually tap and move the clone, maybe move it a little bit higher. You can click on accept, and to get rid of all the UI, you will click on meeting. Again, I'm using the Filter app, and then click on OK, and that's gonna get rid of all of the UI, just not the UI from the iPhone itself. So to get rid of the UI from the iPhone itself, you see um, these squares on the image. So holding the Option key and clicking and dragging, you can crop those out. So let me crop from the top and from the bottom as well. And now you have a clean image and you can stream anything on the background. So for example, let me select Spotify here, or any window. So you can have this on top, and then on the background you can show pretty much anything that you want. Okay, and a cool feature that I created for some of my commissions is to have a green screen background. So I will click on that button and then double tap on the screen to get rid of the buttons. And now you have a green screen. So what this allows you to do is, with the Filta camera selected, with our phone selected, I will right click, go to filters. Let me move this out of the way. And under effect filters, let's add a new color chroma key. Click on OK. And that's going to get rid of all of the greens. Now my jacket here actually has some green. So instead of key color type, I will select a custom color. And for the key color, I will make sure that it's a completely green. And also I'm going to play with the similarity until it's not getting rid of those greens in the jacket. Also play with the green spill correction. Something like that. There you go. So now with this, I can put it pretty much anywhere that I want. And if I bring back my window, it's just going to allow you to have a transparent background, right? So you can have a game on the back. You can show whatever you're doing on a website, on a stream. So that's how you can use the green screen feature. And finally, let me show you how you can use this for meetings. So the same way, I will create a capture device. I'm going to name it Filta Meeting Horizontal, something like that. Select your phone. Pretty much the same thing. So first what I want to do is rotate my image. So just right click, transform, and rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. And I just want to make sure that this fits on my screen. What I have to do on my phone now is go to meeting mode and then rotate my phone. So now maybe the other way. So this is what they're going to be able to see. And I don't think you saw the options here. So with this selected, right click. Let me move it out of the way. So right click, transform, and here it is, rotate 90 degrees, either counterclockwise or clockwise. You can also use this to rotate it, this little handle right here. But it's basically just me making it as big as the screen. There you go. And that's pretty much it. So that's what someone's going to see on your meeting. Now for them to see you on your meeting, let me make it small again. Again, it's kind of weird because I am recording with the recording. I have this virtual camera selected. So once I start the virtual camera, it's going to allow me to use this on any place that you use a webcam. For example, Twitch, YouTube, Telegram, Discord, any place that you have that you can use a webcam, we're going to be able to use this virtual camera. So let me show you how that looks. Let me disable it for a second and I can show you my screen. So if I go to a Google meeting, for example, start a new meeting, this works with Zoom, Discord, any place that has a camera that you can use a webcam, you can use this. So again, I have the infinite windows because if I select my camera, it will show up as OBS virtual camera. And this is how, whenever you activate the full screen, and if I go to my virtual camera, you should be able to see it, but right now you only see, the complete image as me. And there you have it. If you have any questions, I know it can be a bit confusing because the way that I'm recording this, but that's the only way that I can show you. But this is how you can use your clone for meetings, for streaming, anywhere that you can use a webcam. you can use your clone that way. And again, I'm using this with my phone connected to my computer because I want to use the let me tap on this. I want to use the phone's quality tracking. If you use the Filta, let me show you over here. So Filta does have a Mac and a Windows application that is going to do pretty much the same thing, just without OBS, but the tracking is not the same. So let me show you. So as you can see, the tracking is way better on the phone. Like, just look at the eyes. So I mean, the rendering of the materials, it's okay. It's the same. And let me take off my glasses. Again, the bottom is with my phone and the top is with the Filta camera. So this is why I recommend using this specific tutorial to get the specific setup, because using the Filta camera application doesn't work for the clones. So just look at the eye tracking and look at the difference, right? You can still do it if you don't want to do the complete setup, but like even the wobbling is not working properly. There you go.